Learn how to add folders and subfolders in the Catenda Hub app by following these instructions. First, from the Documents section, click on the drop-down menu at the top right of the plus button. Select the New Folder option. Enter the name of your new folder. Then click on Confirm. Your new folder has been created at the root of your project. Navigate to it by selecting it to create a new subfolder. Repeat the steps above again to create a subfolder within the parent folder. You always have the option to return to different levels of the tree using the interactive path above. This guide has shown you how to create folders and subfolders in Catenda Hub. Now you can structure your folder structure according to your needs.